guys. Ugh, I feel weird. It's been forever. Anyway, I have eczema, so I put concealer on top so I can hide the redness, but she looks crusty. Yeah. But yeah, I had to film. It's been a long time. It's like almost a month. I was like, I don't want to keep waiting, so here I am. So yeah, I hope y'all are well. So I don't know if I'm gonna be 100% active now, but at least one video this week, I said. So today it is. So anyway, so today I got an unboxing. Oh, I always forget. Today I have an unboxing. Guess what? She's my new PR now. Let me just say it. She sent me this mid-January or the end of January. So I haven't unboxed this for like what, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I don't know, something like that. So I'm just gonna start showing out. This is the first lash. It's called Tequila. So oh yeah, she made me choose which lashes I wanted. I don't know which ones. I just chose natural ones and then like 2 intense ones. Dramatic, not intense. So yeah, I like the packaging is gold. So yeah, these are pretty. The next style is miel. Ooh, they're pretty. So yeah, this one has a plastic, not the other one. And the last lash, oh, I remember I chose, she made me choose 6, so I only have 3. Maybe she didn't have the other ones. Okay, this is called Marijos. I don't know what that means, but these are the dramatic ones. The plastic. Okay, that's it. Oh no. And a lash glue, a clear lash glue. Cool. I need lash glue. Oh wait, is it latex free? Oh, this is waterproof and latex free. That's cool. So then this is, I don't know if it's some liquid lipstick, lip gloss. I don't know. Yeah, lip gloss. Wow, it doesn't have a scent, so if you don't like scents, you're gonna like this. It's like baby pink. I already have like clear lip gloss, so I can't use it right now. So, oh, a sticker. Some spaghetti noodles. See. Oh yeah, that's her card. Oh, that's her. Oh, I thought I knew her. Never mind. I don't. And this little baggie comes with the same cards and the spoonie, 2 spoonies. And lastly, a letter. Let me just open it and see. My knee. So yeah. Alright, thank you. No, thank you. She sent me free stuff. Natalie, welcome to the Oohfabulashh team. We are so happy to have you with us. We picked up 3 styles for you. We hope you get to love our lashes as much as we do. Remember to have active content, tag us and share. This promo code is 15% off. We can't wait to see you, girl. Promo code Natalie15. So yeah, that's my discount code for them. Natalie15. So in case y'all want to use, y'all don't have to, obviously. You already know, y'all don't have to feel forced, but it's much appreciated if y'all use it. It helps me and her. So. And no, I don't get paid for promoting her products. I just get sent more products, I think. I don't know, I'm still new to her, but I'm pretty sure it's like the other business I promote. So that's basically it. So yeah, I hope you like my mini fast unboxing. So yeah, bye.